Yes, my people. I'm here to say, yo, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this informative program, people. Watch your TV, the only TV that's watching you. So, guys, want to stay tuned, for this informative one, you know what I mean?
Two.
Yes, people. Thank you for staying tuned and thing, you know what I mean? So, well, there's a lot of things been going on across the world, people. You know what I mean? See the Asian them get licked there. You know what I mean? Again, over Haiti, that's so the Caribbean, that's so. You know what I mean? The 7.1 magnitude earthquake, you know what I mean? So, I mean, I don't know what Haiti have done, Rasta. Make these things have been happening to them, but if you look upon a geological aspect of it, you know what I mean, it is the fault, you know what I mean, there is a fault running right under Haiti, you know what I mean, and whenever that fault feel like for, make a move, then it will cause a earthquake, you know what I mean. So unfortunately, them sit down upon a earthquake domain, you know what I mean, so this country, you know what I mean, I can always get earthquake like these, and I mean earthquake with such magnitude for mash up the place, you see me? But I ain't idea star. We send condolence to the people them over 80, you know what I mean? Big man thing, we really astonished to see what go on, you know what I mean? It really messed up also, you know what I mean? Sad. You know what I mean? A whole lot of people lose their life, children, everybody. So may I say, so 7.1 magnitude earthquake. It was felt in Jamaica as well, you know what I mean? It was felt all the way, you know what I mean, all the way here in Jamaica, you know what I mean? So, I mean, we have to give God thanks, you know what I mean? Say, nothing had happened in JA, you know what I mean? We are fairly a blessed country, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Even though a lot of wickedness are going on in our country, but we still blessed and thing, you see me? So people, I want to tell you say, as you know me already know still, say, one tropical depression out there, aka so named storm, you know what I mean? At any minute now, any hour now, it's supposed to become a storm, because they must say, the Met officer say, boy, it's supposed to strengthen, you see me? Right now, they are one tropical depression, so the next strength where they can pick up after that would be hurricane, you see me? No, storm. Yeah, so after storm and hurricane people, yes, so the tropical depression there, and then the tropical depression are going to turn into a storm. This is a tropical storm, and after tropical storm, then say a hurricane, you see me? But tropical depression grace no reach them stage there yet, you see me? Them still a watch her, them still see what she a deal, you see me? All we know right now is that she's bringing a lot of rain, and I mean, you don't know tropical depression thing or, you know what I mean, storm thing, it always bring a lot of rain and thunderstorms, you know what I mean? So, hopefully Jamaica can just roll out again upon that one, yeah, you know what I mean? The bag of landslide them and the bag of wash place and them thing they can just go and roll out, you see me? Yeah, man. But that a go on still, you see me? Yeah, man. So Grace are forward people. Wanna get ready for grace, you know what I mean? I wanna talk about the brand grace in a JA, you know what I mean? Yeah man. John know people. The government should know say coronavirus now go wait for nobody. Coronavirus, they have to mash up the whole place. The government should know them thing that when them are open up back country, you see me? I open up country for this, I open up country for that. You know what I mean? From Corona they bought, the country for lock down straight, virgin. The country not for open back, virgin. You know, for have certain restrictions, you know what I mean, for the country. For the people them, you see me I say? You can't just open back place. You put all curfew at 11 o'clock. I tell you say that was a big risk. You know what I mean? So the risk the way you take charge it doesn't mash up the place right now. I just saw the things it. You see me I say? Plus you don't know holiday gone or there yeah. We don't know how you go open back school with them whole heap of way of your brethren. You see me I say? We're lucky if we control back this. We're lucky if we control back this. You see me I say? So this corona thing I get out of hand. You see me I say? I mean them a urge if you go take the vaccine and everything, but I mean some people are say boy them don't want to take it cause this and that and all type of thing. Some people are say boy them going to take it and rate. As for me still I'm not going to disclose that, but I mean the thing serious out there, you know what I mean? So we have to go make a choice, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Yes people, so you know say reggae boys them gonna a CONCACAF. You see me I say, reggae boys them gonna CONCACAF. Ready for go kick off some football and play some nice football for it. That's if anything, we end up on the World Cup side. You see me I say? Yeah man, and that's great. All the ladies them too, you know, the woman them too, you know, the woman them supposed to go a World Cup, you know, you see me? Yeah man, that are the reggae girls, and the reggae boys, yeah, the reggae girls and the reggae boys, you know what I mean? They do fairly well, you know what I mean, and you know this football thing, and we have to give thanks. Yeah man, we see we nation rise in terms of football, you know what I mean, cause you know we're up on a struggle over the years of having a good team. You know what I mean? Over the years we have struggled to get a good team, people. So if you can reach CONCACAF and mash up them side in a group C and know say alright, I eat that. You see me? I know say yo we reach a World Cup, you know what I mean? Yeah man, a World Cup want go man, so hopefully the Jamaicans them can start celebrating, you know what I mean? Cause a World Cup the thing there. You see me I say? Yeah man, you see what the athlete them make us so proud, you know what I mean? Yeah man, the Olympics athletes, you know what I mean, make us so proud. The Jamaican athletes, you know what I mean, make us so proud, you know what I mean? Shelley and Fraser and Thompson and all of them, you know what I mean, make us so proud. Sherrick and all of them, you know what I mean, Williams, everybody. Make us so proud. You see me I say? Don't know, the man them never told go on good, but you don't know, we get astonished said we by parchment, you know what I mean? So we have to give thanks, man. We have to give thanks. We have to give so much thanks for no say this little country where you can hardly see on the map create havoc around the world. You know what I mean? So we have to give thanks after that. We have to give thanks, you know what I mean? So hopefully Jamaica can be seen when the World Cup is to come. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So there you have it guys. Another informative one from your guy Nix. You know what I mean? So I say thank you guys very much for staying tuned, you know what I mean? Thank you for watching my video. You know what I mean? I just want to go sub and subscribe, you see me? Like this video, want to comment, you see me? Make me know what I want to hear about what I want to see. You know say yo Nix have them a whole heap, you see me? So I want to tell me what I want to see and thing. Guys, if you hear the rain a fall, you don't know say the storm or the tropical depression they out there, you see me? So there's a lot of rain going on, you know what I mean? So the rain a fall like whoa people, so me I just go on easy until the rain falls. So guys, until then, I'm your guy Nix. Watch your TV, the only TV that's watching you. I'm out.